ever had the problem where you need to be on the internet but also use your map tool with CCT at the same time? Well, you can do that. The first thing that you're going to need is a couple of these USB wireless or Wi-Fi adapters. You can get any of the cheap ones from Amazon, but right here you can see there's actually something missing that we will see later on. But the issue that you're probably running into is that if you need assistance and you're connected to your map tool, you have no internet access. So if I go to YouTube right now while I'm connected to my map tool, you'll see that I'm not able to hit it because I'm connected to the map tool's Wi-Fi signal. Just showing that I am connected to the map tool right now and I can use it. So now I'm connecting my little USB Wi-Fi adapter to my laptop. Remember, these don't have to be expensive Wi-Fi adapters, but you'll see here there's now a drop down that I have Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi antenna 2. Wi-Fi antenna 2 is my USB adapter. So I'm going to connect to my home's Wi-Fi real quick. You'll see if I go to YouTube now, just how I normally would, since I'm not connected to my Wi-Fi or to my map tool, I can hit YouTube. Now if I switch it over to antenna 2, which is my USB dongle or Wi-Fi adapter, now I'm going to connect to my map tool. So I think I accidentally do it wrong here, but I see that I accidentally connected the wrong one, so just gotta pay attention. So I'm changing Wi-Fi antenna 2 to, which is my USB Wi-Fi adapter, to connect to the map tool, and my integrated Wi-Fi on my laptop to connect to my home Wi-Fi. But in order to get this to work, you'll see here I have two different Wi-Fi cards. We want to edit Wi-Fi antenna number 2. And what we want to do in here is force ourselves on the same subnet IP as the map tool, which is 192.168. I think was it 142, and then whatever IP you want, and then add that subnet and make sure to leave the default gateway clear of anything. You don't want to put anything in the default gateway. Click OK. You should be able to close out of all this now. So you might have to reconnect to your map tool again. And the map tool being the map tool, it always likes to be a little picky. So whenever doing this process, make sure you're actually connected to either Wi-Fi for internet or the map tool. It will sometimes seem like it's going to connect and then it doesn't, just like we saw here. So just be wary of that. If you think it's not working, double check, make sure that your Wi-Fi signals are indeed connected. I'm going to start over here, go to upload a controller, And now you see I have a fourth option in here, which is my second Wi-Fi card. Yours might say something different. It's probably going to say whatever brand of USB adapter that you have. Mine was Realtek in this example. But yours might say TP-Link, Netgear, depending on whatever vendor that you purchased. But showing here, I'm scanning with the map tool and I'm able to watch a YouTube video at the same time. We'll upload this controller. Just kind of prove that everything's working here. YouTube is still playing, so we're still connected to the wider internet. At this point, you should be done, and everything should work if this goes through. If I remember correctly, I think it fails on the first attempt to upload, but our second round will go through here. Yeah, okay, yeah, it failed. So I'm gonna start one more time. It can be a little temperamental, I have found, so if it doesn't work the first time, give it a couple more tries. So we're still watching YouTube on the regular internet, but we're also connected to the map tool right now. As you can see, it's scanning in the background there. Go ahead and stop that guy. We're gonna try to upload this controller. And there you go. Looks like it's started to upload. So, yeah, just to recap, get a USB adapter and connect to a Wi-Fi signal that has internet access on your laptop's integrated Wi-Fi, and then change your second Wi-Fi signal to connect to the map tool. But you also need to change the properties of that network connection for the map tool to be on the same subnet as the map tool, which was 192.168.142, and then whatever you want to put as your IP in there. As long as it's not, I think, 1 through 5, I think you should be fine. But yeah, we're just showing more that I'm going into commissioning mode here in a second, and yeah, that's all you need.